Okay, this one the step control that we set on the EQ Master. So we have a 4 step. Okay, from 0 to 4. So all is a 5 stack. And then the step 0 we set 35, and then to reach 35 in 1 minute. And then when reach 35 maintain 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. After that increase 50 in 2 minutes. After that maintain 50 in 1 minute, and lastly in 1 minute to reach the 85. Okay, this one is a pattern that we assign here in a 6 total 6 minutes. Okay, this one I will show you how to enter the monitoring mode. Okay, this one P/S is a program 0, step 2. Okay, step 2. Okay, program 0 step 2, you press mode and button up. We go to timer, total time consumed. This one in second, this one in minute second. Minute second. Okay, step 2 almost finished. And then maintain 50 degree. In 1 minute. After this timer finish, we go to the second step. Okay, go to the PV will increase to the second step. So you want to check step. Now is step 4. This one program 0, pattern 0, step 4. Okay, now in step 4, press mode, check the timer. The step 4 increase until 85. Okay, and then step 5, stop. Already finished. Okay, step 0, stop.